back check. So, starting at the top, we've got some ODI long neck grips, very soft. Got some ODI bar ends. Got bedroll 2020 bars, good size, very nice. Got an Eastern Decepticon stem, it's red. Yeah, got my Fit Blade Light Thin Forks, something like that. Got some Fit Faff tyres, made of rubber. I've got some rims with some spokes. Got some 70s hubs on the front and back. Got some Eastern something frame. Some Eastern cranks. Bit muddy. Got some Eastern bikes. Uncomfortable seat. It's rubbish. Crucial BMX. An S&M seat clamp. It's red again. Something else red. Eastern clear pedals. Got a proper bikes. Proper bike sprocket. Black chain. Got some swag. Again, Fit Faff on the back. And a white rim with some spokes.